It's sport day in Japan and we will have a holiday ride. Morning! It's October 13, 7 o'clock in the morning. It's a sports day holiday in Japan. So wala kaming pasok. So holiday ride muna tayo. So, good morning sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin dyan sa Pilipinas, mga Rodeck graduate, family ko, good morning. Have a safe day to all. So ganda yung weather, 7 o'clock, wala pang masyadong araw. So ikot-ikot lang tayo dito sa Okinawa using my LeBron James mountain bike giant. Good morning ulit sa inyong lahat. Thank you for watching. Please follow my YouTube channel, Anzen Deiki.